welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening these Trader Joe's mystery packs. These are the 2017 mystery packs, as it says right here. They're probably sold out at this point, but you might be able to find them if you're lucky in some of the stores still. I actually got these a couple of weeks ago, and they were the last three that they had in the Towson store. Towson, Maryland, that is. So I have another one of these videos that I will link in the description box below and up in the right hand corner of your screen that I did when my cousin and her two girls were here over Thanksgiving. So let's open this up and see what we have. I had never actually heard of these until this year. I guess they do them every year. I don't know. All right. The first mystery bag is, I got my corn one. Okay. So I got this one in the last bag opening, but my daughter actually took it. So now I have my own. So it's just Trader Joe's whole kernel corn, and it has a can opener on this side, and it has, the can opener and the ingredients. Corn, water, salt. Very cool. I really liked this one. Oh, and on this side, it has the instructions on, what to do with the can of corn. That's really cool. We got this one as well. I got this one last time too. That's weird. But anyway, it's the Florida Trader Joe's bag with a postcard and TJ's, and I think my daughter took this one too, actually. She did, because she liked all the animals. So good, I got these back. This one is new to me. It says, "While I breathe, I hope." This is the South Carolina bag, and it has a butterfly and a peach. It has the flag of Myrtle Beach, or the Myrtle Beach symbol, along with the shopping cart, and a shrimp boil, which is really cool. What's on the sides? And some hot boiled peanuts. Sorry, these aren't far enough away you can see them. All right, that's really cool. I like that. All right, next bag. I think the easiest way is just to rip it open. I see something new here. Wow, this is so pretty. This is the New Mexico one that my cousin got in that last haul, I think. Yep, this is New Mexico. My cousin actually got this one last time, and I was a little bit jealous. So here's this side, very cool, the hot pepper on it. And there's that corn again. Very pretty bright colors. More about the whole kernel corn. And here's a flag, I'm guessing. Is this a New Mexico flag? Somebody tell me. And then this really pretty hot air balloon picture with Land of Enchantment. And I got Texas. It has an armadillo and a cowboy boot. Same thing on this side. Whoops. Trader Joe's with a heart made out of rope. If you cannot find a Trader Joe's, fret not. There's a magical place called TraderJoes.com where all locations will be revealed. I just wish there were some here in Pennsylvania. And this tells you where all the stores are in Texas. Very cool. I like that. This one is New Jersey. This is a new one to me. I think I've seen the Texas one before. This one I haven't seen before. And this, I guess, is a diner. And on this side, it says, "Greetings from TJ." It's really cool. This side says Trader Joe's. This side says New Jersey. And, whoops, Turnpike entrance. Very cool. These are so pretty. I'm definitely going to get some more if they do this next year. Last bag. Oh, I already like the color. Oh, no, another one. That's all right, because you know what? My daughter will probably take it anyway. So here's another of the Texas bags. Here's Arizona. Very pretty. And, oh, that's really pretty. I like that color with the lizards. Very cute. This has all of the locations, I'm guessing. Oh, yeah, it says right. Jeez, it says right there, Arizona locations. And on this side, the same thing. Very cool. And the last bag is Missouri. And it has a recipe on the bottom here for vanilla bean gooey butter cake. That sounds amazing. Here you can pause this video and you can write down this recipe real quick. On this side we have a hot dog and a baseball. And on this side we have, did you just put ice in the tea? I don't get it. If you're from Missouri, can you explain that to me? And then this side is, I guess, Branson. That's what I'm guessing. It's Branson, Missouri. It says Live Entertainment Capital of the World. Here are all of the reusable bags I got from my 3 2017 Trader Joe's mystery packs. I forgot to mention that they were $2.99, so that makes these pretty much $1 a piece. If you were able to snag any of these mystery packs, let me know in the comments section below which of the bags you got. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Lee'sHome05. Thanks for watching. Bye.